जय श्रीमन्नारायण 457th नामं from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam from 49th sloka. Om Sumukhaya Namaha. Ho Srimannarayana, I realize that you are the one who has very charming and pleasant face. Ho Srimannarayana, being Narayana and Nara in Badarikashramam, even after doing so much of tapasya in order to have the Ashtakshari Mahamantram continuously chanted and disclosed so much of power, revealing so much of power and spreading that power all over the universe, so that anyone, anytime, whoever gets to just say Narayana, their all worries, all pains, all sufferings should be removed in that. And in order to get all this done, you have been doing so much of very severe tapasya in Badarikashramam. In spite of all this, your face is always charming and pleasant. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Sumukhaya Namaha. Om Sumukhaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana, Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam Aranyakanda, Maricha tried so much to stop Ravana going against Rama. But now Ravana is not caring at all whatever Maricha said. Maricha's teachings, all that Maricha said, is something that can remove danger which is going to happen to Ravana. Maricha's teachings, whatever Maricha said, is definitely going to give all peace to Ravana. But now Ravana is not at all caring all that. On top of that, now Ravana getting back to Maricha very cruelly like this. Oh Maricha, whatever now you have said, all that is just waste. I am not at all going to care. Oh Maricha, as you said, Rama is not such a great man. He is a big sinner. Rama is very cruel. And Rama is very ordinary man. Oh Maricha, I can easily kill Rama in the battle. And also, Maricha, just by considering, by taking, after all, one woman's word, he gave up his entire kingdom. He gave up all of his pleasures. He gave up all of his friends. He gave up even his parents also and came down to Dandakaranyam. How stupid it is. Oh Maricha, now look at this. In front of you, having you witnessing the event that I am definitely going to abduct Sita, who is more dear to Rama than his own life. I will do that in front of you. Evam me nischita buddhihi. I decided that. Now even Devendra also cannot change my decision, cannot change my mind. Not only Devendra, even all the Devatas at once collectively can come and cannot change my mind, change my decision. Oh Maricha, now I would like to tell you something. Did I ask you whether it is my decision is good or bad? I did not ask you. Did I ask you whether it is going to give me good result or bad result? No, I did not ask you. Then why did you tell all these things to me? If at all you want to tell something to the king, you should be giving some respect. Oh Maricha, if a minister wants to say any good things or give good advice to king, you know how he should be doing that? He has to be very humble and he has to fold his hands right in front of king and then say good things. And he should not be using any rude words and any tough words, and he should not be saying with any kind of anger. He should be maintaining very humble, gentle gestures, and he should not be putting king down, and also he should not be disrespecting king. That is how any good advice should be given to king by anyone. If it is not maintained like this, though those are all very good advices, but king nabhi nandati tadraja manarho manavarjitam, the king who always have and holds some dignity would never care even if they are all very good advices. You should know about this, Maricha. Like this, Ravanasura getting back to Maricha. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. 49th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Suvrataha, Sumukhaha, Sukshmaha, Sughoshaha, Sukhadaha, Suhrutu, Manoharo, Jitakrodho, Veerabahuhu, Vidaranaha. Suvratas sumukhas sukshmas sughoshas sukhadas suhrut manoharo jitakrodho veerabahur vidaranaha. Om Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Sumukhaya Namaha. Om Sumukhaya Namaha. Om Sumukhaya Namaha.